In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your hacked Instagram account without submitting a video selfie or without any recovery method. When someone hacks your Instagram account, immediately he will change your recovery email address and phone number. So you don't have access to any of these recovery methods. In this video, I will show you how to get back your account by help your Instagram friends. There are multiple ways to recover your account. So to do this thing, you have to have Instagram application on your device. If you don't have that one, go to Play Store, App Store. Then you have to download and install this Instagram application. First, we go through our web browser. Then we will move to our Instagram application. So open your default web browser. It doesn't matter which browser on your mobile. Open your default web browser. After opening, go to search bar like this. Then you have to type and search Instagram Help Center. Then you have to select the very first search result, Instagram Help Center. Then you have to go to search bar. Then you have to type and search this word, hacked accounts. I will type like this. Here you can type any of these words too. After typing hacked account, you have to tap the forward button on your keypad. Then you will get this kind of search result. Here you have to select this search result. If you think that your Instagram account has been hacked, if you want, you can select the first one too. After selecting, here you have to change this Android app help to mobile browser help. If you use Android or iPhone, you have to select mobile browser help, this one. Select mobile browser help, then you will get this web page. Here you have to tap this blue color link. Tap, visit this page in blue color. Then it will be redirected to this window. Here you will get pop-up message. Now on, they ask you to continue using your Instagram application. So in the pop-up window, you have to allow this permission. So tap open app, then it will be open your Instagram application like this. Now they ask another question, why can't you get into your account? Here I recommend you to select the first one, my account was hacked. Then you can tap the next button at the bottom. Now they ask you to identify your account. To identify your account, you can go with your phone number. If hacker has changed it or if you didn't add any mobile number, you can go with your old email address. It doesn't matter if you have access or not, just try to identify your account just using your old login details. If there is no any other method, you can enter your username. If hacker has changed it to a new one, you can enter your new username. Like this, I will type and search my Instagram username. After typing, tap the next button. Then it will show the exact account which belongs to you, as well as it will show all password resetting method. You can get code via email or via SMS, or you can use your Facebook application to reset your password. But unfortunately, if you don't have access to any of these password resetting method, tap can't reset your password. Then you will get this window. Here you can see there are two different sections. The first section for resetting your password, second one for recovering. So if you have access at least one password resetting method, you can get a verification code. After that, you can easily reset your password. As well as if you want to reset your password, I will put that video link in the description. But unfortunately, if you don't have access to any of these password resetting method, instead of creating a new password, you have to completely recover your account. So I invite you to select try another way option at the bottom. See the last option, try another way in blue color. Then you will get another question. Why can't you get into Instagram account? Here you have to see the third answer, my account was hacked. Then tap the next button at the bottom. Then you will get two different options. Here, the first one, if you have at least uploaded one real photo to your Instagram profile, they ask you to submit a video selfie. As well as if you didn't upload any real post or photo or video to your Instagram profile, you have to choose the second one. No request help from your friend. In this video, I'm going to talk about only the second method. If you want to recover your account by submitting a video selfie, you can find that video link in the description. In that video, I have completely shown you how to recover your account by submitting a video selfie. So if you don't have access or if you didn't upload any real photo to your account, instead of submitting video selfie, you have to get help from your friends. But some of you, this option is not available. In some case, if this option is not available, get help from your friend, you have to get back this option. So I invite you to watch the error fixing video in the description. So since we are going to use the second option, I will select no help from friend. Second one, after that, I will tap the next button. Now they ask you to get help from your Instagram friend. Before you submit a help request, they recommend you to call or text them and let them know you are getting help or they are receiving some help requests. As well as you have to select two Instagram friends. So to go forward, tap with started. Then I will explain. Here you have to select two friends. Then you can see a full list of account of your Instagram friend. Here you have to select two friends that you believe they will accept your help request. Like this, within this list, you have to select two of them. After selecting two of them, tap the next button. Then you will get this pop-up window. In this pop-up window, you have to select send request button. After that, those help requests will be sent like this. You can see the request has been sent. They have to accept this request within next 48 hours. Now you can go back to your login. Within this login interface, you will see there is a new feature at the top. Check if your friend responded your request. So you have to tap check request button in blue color to if they have accept or approve your help request. You can see still they didn't approve. So now you have to call or SMS to your friend. Ask them to respond to your recovery request. Here imagine this is my friend's mobile. Here if they swipe down to the notification bar, they will get a new help request like this. Somehow if they didn't turn on notification for Instagram application, they have to use the loan method. So first they have to open their Instagram application. After that they have to open notification section. To open it, tap the heart sign. Then they will see all their notifications like this. At the top, they will receive this kind of help request. This user can't access their account, they requested your help. So they have to tap that one. Then they will redirect to this page. This user requests your help. So they have to tap the confirm button at the bottom. Tap the confirm button in blue color. Then they will get a pop-up window like this. In this pop-up window, they have to tap confirm. Then they can confirm your help request like this. Now the first friend is done. Let's move to the second friend. They also follow the same process. Open their Instagram application, go to notification section, then they will receive a new notification for the help request. After that, they will get the full view. Here they have to tap the confirm button. Like earlier, tap confirm in the pop-up window too. Now the both friends have been approved our recovery request. Then you have to come back to your device. Then close your Instagram application and all the application on your device. Then you have to reopen your Instagram application. After reopening, you will get this login interface. Here you don't need to enter any of your login details. Instead of that, you have to tap check request option. If you are using the web version, the process is almost same. After accepting your help request by both friends, you will get this correct sign. As well as they will allow you to create a new password. So tap create new password button at the bottom. Then within this window, they will allow you to create a new password. Now you don't need to any of your old password. Like this, you can create your new strong password. After creating your password, you have to tap the save button. After saving, you will be redirected to your login interface. Within this login interface, you have to enter your username as well as you have to enter your new password that we created a moment ago. Then we can use our username and new password. We can log back into our hacked Instagram account. This is just a one way to recover your account. If you want to recover it by submitting video selfie, or if you want to learn more about alternative methods to recover your account, you can find all the links in the description. And also, if this option is not available for if you got an error, you can find the all error fixing video in the description too, or you can click this end screen videos and come on over. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later!